Hi everybody! Let's paint some flowers and leaves today. Just a simple painting. So I've got my mini sketchbook and let's put some water on our paper. So basically what we'll do is put blobs of color. What I'll do is once I've got the purple there, I'm going to wet my paintbrush and see you need that much water on your paintbrush to paint the petals. So you're basically drawing that blob of purple into 5 or 6 petals. So I'm attempting to draw a starfish shaped petal, and this could go anyway. Just have fun with it. Your goal is to make sure there are petals. We're gonna add some pink. So I've got some magenta pink from my watercolor. So I'm going to do like a wet on wet combination. We're gonna add some green leaves. So I've got lots of water on my paintbrush. I've also switched my brush to a smaller one. I'm randomly placing the green on my sketchbook and just drawing it out. There's lots of water and have fun with it. Painting more leaves, just making sure there are bigger leaves, smaller leaves. Basically my sketchbook is kind of filled. My goal is to practice painting leaves and flowers. So if I'm a beginner, I want to make sure that the leaves and flowers are also blending in within. What I mean by that is you have paint, one or more colors, and you have water, and you're just making sure that there's a nice blend, there's a nice gradient going on. I'm going to add a little bit of red as an undertone to one of the flowers. It's okay. Do you see the paint spread? It's okay. We'll clean it up. I noticed there's some excess water on that flower, so I'm just going to blend that red so it's not too jarring. I'm just gonna take out that excess water. Okay, let's clean up that little happy accident using a clean brush. We'll take some moss green and add a little bit to our leaves. Our leaves kind of look sad and monotonous in its colors, so we'll add a little bit more green to the leaves. So just gonna add that pop of green to all the leaves. So what I don't like is that the space in between, it's too white, so I'm just going to add a little bit of water and whatever green that's left on my paintbrush. I'm just going to blend just so that we don't see that white. I'm going to take some dark brown and black mixed watercolor and going to add a little bit of pistil on the flowers. You might have noticed that I haven't touched the third flower, pink and the purple one, just because I really liked how it naturally blended. So I'm taking some tree green and going to outline all the leaves. Okay, more blending. I'm going to take a pen and start outlining the petals, the flowers, and all the leaves. So that's what I'll do. Moving on to the next flower. Actually, this flower really looks like a starfish, doesn't it? So we'll outline all the petals. Earlier, I think I said pistil, but now that I look at it, these look more like filaments. Pistil is the one structure in the center. Notice how the filament yellow-orange dots for this flower. It hasn't dried yet, so I'm not going to touch it yet. I'm just going to outline that last flower. And we're going to start on the leaves. The center line that I just drew, that's actually called a midrib. So what I'm doing is currently outlining the outer margins of the leaf and then drawing a midrib. Eventually the plan is to come back to all of these leaves and draw the little veins on the leaves. So they're kind of like striped leaves. So that's what we're going to do for all of the leaves. Okay, the last leaf is done, and now we'll peel off our tape and we'll see what it looks like. This is one of those simple exercises where you can draw just random flowers, leaves, and see how it'll turn out. Thank you for watching this simple painting that I did. Until next time, bye!